Most creators rely on shortcuts and hacks, and then blame the system. Standards matter, so let's do this properly.
Most people, when their YouTube promo isn't serving, start clicking random settings, adding targeting they don't understand, and trying little hacks they saw in a forum or a video. All that does is make the campaign unstable, harder to read, and impossible to diagnose. We're not doing that. If you want real results, you need real standards. Not shady fixes, not hidden tweaks, and not guesswork. So, if your YouTube promotion isn't serving, or you've heard Google Ads performs better and you want to try it properly, let me show you the most basic campaign you can build. No tricks, no optimization games, just a clean setup that shows you exactly how your video behaves in the system. It takes under 2 minutes, and you can pause it anytime. Click the plus button and start a new campaign. Choose Create Without Goals Guidance. Select Video. Step 2, keep it minimal. This part is important. Untick both of these. In-feed ads, Shorts ads. We only want standard skippable ads for this test. Step 3, no targeting, no interests, no audiences, no keywords. We keep everything open for one reason. If you change too many things at once, you'll never know what actually stopped your ad from serving. This clean setup removes interference and gives you a clear read on how your video behaves. Step 4, choose your locations. Pick any regions you want. If your only goal is views, you can choose global. Leave everything else completely open. Step 5, add your video correctly. Paste the full youtube.com. The short link can break detection and give you inconsistent results.
Nice.
Step 6, add your text. For the headlines and description, don't overthink it. Keep it simple. Keep it clear. Use AI if you want. Anything that roughly matches your video is fine. Now just follow the steps on screen. That's it. No tricks. No hidden settings. No shady workarounds. Just a clean, minimal campaign that shows you whether your video can actually run in the system. Once this campaign starts serving, you'll immediately see if the problem was the video, the account, or the way things were set up before. From there, you can decide what to change without guessing.